or the original unit rate, and I didn't need that. They want to know how far she walked in 13 minutes. So 1 times 13, 110 times 13, so let's do it. 110 times 13. 3 times 0, 3 times 1, 3 times 1, done. 0 placeholder, 1 times 0, 1 times 1, 1 times 1. All right, let's double check our work on a calculator. So we have 110 times 8, 880, and then 110 times 13, 1430. Okay, so I just have to write that down here in the table. Okay, we just finished part B. Okay, so I'm actually going to use, I want you guys to see this information. So I want to write this here real quick. That 1.5 miles equals 2,640 yards. We need that information. That's why I'm looking. Okay. All right. So here's the situation. Rosa finishes the trail first. How long in minutes does she have to wait for Peng to finish? Okay, so we need the minutes too. We need the unit rates. Okay, so Rosa and Peng, her unit rate, let's see here, yards to minutes, yards to minutes. Okay, so the unit rate for Rosa, I'm looking here, guys. Here's the unit rate for Rosa right here. 132 yards in 1 minute. 132 yards in 1 minute. Okay, the unit rate for Peng is 110 yards in 1 minute. Okay. Now, they walked 2,640 yards. See how that has the word yards after it? That's how far they walked. Okay? So, this is a hard problem, guys. There's no way to do this other than this. I know that I'm going to multiply by something here. Okay, but I don't know what that something is. So in order to figure that out, I would say 2,640 divided by 132. And when I figure that out, then I can figure out what I multiplied this by to get this. Okay, so here's your decimal all the way down here. 0, 0. 132 will not go into 2. 132 will not go into 26. How many times will 132 go into 264? And I do believe it's twice. So 4, 6, yep, nice. Bring down that last 0. How many times will 132 go into 0? 0. So now I know that I multiplied by 20. So I'm going to multiply by 20. So how long did it take Rosa to walk the trail? 20 minutes. Remember we said that a 1.5 mile trail was 2,640 yards. So she walked that trail in 20 minutes. Okay? All right, let's look at Peng. What did I do to 110 to get 2,640? Okay. The only way I'm going to know that is if I divide 2,640 divided by 110. Okay. So 110 times 2, I bet, is 220. Okay, so I'm going to subtract, bring down the 0, and how many times will 110 go into 440? 4 times exactly. Okay, so I know now that I multiply by 24 here, so I multiply by 24 here, and I get 24. 1 times 24 is 24. So this right here is the most important piece of information because Peng walked the trail in 24 minutes. And remember, the question is that Rosa finishes first. She finishes in 20 minutes. Peng finishes in 24 minutes. How long in minutes does she have to wait for Peng to finish? So Peng finishes in 24. Rosa finishes in 20. How many minutes does she have to wait for Peng to finish? 4 minutes. Okay guys, I have a packet ready for you to go. You're going to solve these 3 problems over and over, and you're going to use the same strategies. Use your notes, revisit the video tutorial if you need to. Good luck, guys.